forfeit, opponent leg switch, booting or anything. I cannot make what I want. I can't not come in my internet. I logged me now in my router. Hopefully I come in. You can see my internet are down. And yeah, I cannot make anything.
Du musst doch die Gegner irgendwie zeigen, Alter.
Hopefully I come into the fucking router. Then I can you watch that I have many packets traffic on my router. One moment. I must log me in. Ja. Cool.